In a court number 2, winner by unanimous decision. Red Armor, Karina Manicos, RR Screaming.
Okay, if your name is called, please come to the back of the stage, outside the stage, for the awarded area. Okay, bronze medalist, under overweight, Phoenix Gallega of Laguna, Denver Timoyo of Laguna, bronze medalist. The Chavez Cortina of Lamang, and for Zian Veres of BBQ. Masa hello? Hello? Asan mo yung tarang ako kanina? Kaya wardan mo. Okay, dali. Gimoyo of Lamdag. Asa mas Gimoyo of Lamdag? Ang Rodina, second.
Corner number 2, Blizzard from RR Eskrima. Red Armor versus Jemima Guerrico from Lamak, Blue Armor.
Middle, middle.
Please, walay magtapok diyan sa equipment area. Kung di mo kasabot ang Bisaya, sige Tagalog. Wala akong mag-stay dyan sa equipment area. English na po. Oh, no one will stay there. Insik,
Picture, picture.
From Lamak team, please be faster.
Next, 11 to 13 years old, about 30 kilogram. Bronze medalist, Rufino of Tifki and Zion of Fernandez of Laguna. Bronze medalist, Silver, Benavente of Laguna.
for ring number 1,
Gold, Andre Buntuto. And
one more extension.
Fighting semifinals.
Zach Benavente. Ang sabi?
Liza Dr. Art Eskrima, Jemima Guerrico from Lamak.
Fernandez. Benavente, Benavente.
Saan po yung mga stakes? Budget stakes. Pati sa uli po, hindi po yan souvenir.
Rufino of Tifki. Asa si Rufino of Tifki.
Ang awarding nasa likod dong. Yung awarding po natin nasa likuran.
Rufino of Tifki.
Hey, sa uli yung blue. Sino naglaro last?
Sino po yung...
Tatlo, dalawang blue, isang red, wala.
Please be ready.
Okay, next.
Lillian Sardan from ZZDAC, FAMAF, and Red Armor, and Francis Gallega, Laguna, Blue Armor. Please prepare and proceed to court 2, please.
Players, coaches, kapag tinatawag po kayo, please, huwag po kayong tumaan sa korte, sa gitna ng korte or sa may Gordon. Yung mga may Gordon area po,
gold. Diana Bisa, gold. Jairo Wenceslao, silver. Timothy Dwayne Ipo, bronze. And Jacob Bautista Cruz. Please come to... Okay, Jacob. This is Jacob Bautista. So, Alviso and Ivo. Bautista. Wala na siya? Next, 11 to 13 years old, 30 under. Bronze medalist, Tiffany Gorgonio. And Mira of WSQ. Silver, Nexi Dion Bagnol of Lama. And Gisa Alexi
Judges.
Cambronio. What's that mga?
Ready.
Nixie.
Judges. Happy.
Silver.